Hi, I am the avatar for Steve Sims, you know, Steve, the Viewmont Lacrosse parent representative. I am here to explain the player registration process. It is time to register for Viewmont Spring Lacrosse. What a perfect time to take a minute or two for those of you that haven't registered before, or may have forgotten, and explain the whole process. By the way, I know this animation is bizarre, but Tom Clay made me do it, and hey, it's more interesting than just sending this all in a boring email, right? There are actually 3 registrations required in order to be fully registered. I know it seems a little silly, so let me explain. First, you must register with the team, and that registration is all handled right here on our website. You just need to click the team registration link right above me here, on this page, and that will take you to the team registration form. Once you are done filling out the simple form, just click submit. That will send all your basic contact information to the team and take you to the page where you can select the things you need to order. First, and listen, because this is a place where people mess up, you must click the Add to Cart button for the basic team fee, which is $175. That basic team fee includes your team jersey rental, a t-shirt, and a hoodie. It does not include team shorts. So make sure you click on the Add to Cart button for the basic team fee. That will take you to the PayPal shopping cart. If you are done, and you don't need a new pair of shorts or want anything else, then just proceed through checkout and you are done with the team portion of the registration. If you are new to the team and need a pair of team shorts, or if you used your pair all winter for pajamas and you wore them out, then you need to order a new pair of team shorts, so click on the Return to Shopping link on the PayPal page. Add the items you want to your cart and choose the sizes you want. If you want more than one of something, you can change the quantity in the PayPal checkout cart. You'll see how it works. You can add the shorts, additional hoodies, sweats, t-shirts, whatever else you want. When you are done, just check out and pay your total due. You can use a checking account, a Visa, a debit card, a MasterCard, or a PayPal account. PayPal is one of the most secure ways to purchase anything on the web, and your data is protected with state-of-the-art technology. The team fee pays for uniforms, nets, goals, field rental to the school district, balls. We go through about 150 balls each season, and other items. The team registration needs to be completed by January 9th so that we can order uniforms. If you try and register after that time, there is no guarantee that we will have a uniform for you, or that you will be able to play, so don't chance it, just be on time. When you are done with the team registration, it is time to go on to Utah Lacrosse registration. That link is also right here on this page. While you are registering for Utah Lacrosse, you will have to enter your U.S. Lacrosse membership number and the expiration date. The tools to look up your number and expiration date are right there on the online registration form. If your registration from last year expires before the end of the season, you will have to renew it before you can proceed. The Utah Lacrosse registration fee pays for referees, coach training, scorekeeper training, and provides us with help toward paying for coaching expenses. The U.S. Lacrosse registration provides us with field liability insurance and subscribes you to Lacrosse Magazine. Well, that's about it. That is the process, and that is what the 3 fees cover. I hope this video has been useful. Now just click on the team registration button here on this page to start, and remember, you must complete the team registration by 9th of January. Get it done as early as possible because that really helps us in getting the uniform order ready. If you have any more questions, you can call or email me. My information is on the website. If you are a player, you can talk to one of the captains. They are Jared Workman, Austin Tingey, Jaden Handley, and Skylar Smoot. They've registered before many times and they know the deal. One last quick point that I want to make is this. My philosophy is to keep the team expense as low as possible so that no boy will feel it is out of his price range to play. This year has been hard because there is an unknown, like exactly how much the field rental will be. I've left the team fee where it was last year, and I think it is plenty. If we have any funds left over, we will put it in a savings fund to buy things like the trailer, or the electronic scoreboard, or new goals, or other big purchases the team needs from time to time. Or maybe we'll have steak instead of hamburgers at the team award banquet. We'll see. Thank you for watching, and let's have a wonderful season. See you at the Lineaxers.